Hey guys, thank you for tuning in Techie Nits. Today's video is about an annoying issue in Davinci Resolve, a powerful video editing software. And the issue is video lagging or freezing in your timeline while editing. How annoying it is, right? I'm going to show you 4 easy steps on how to fix this issue. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, click on the bell icon, like, share and comment. This video lagging issue usually occurs when you edit an 4K video or an 8K video or very high definition video. In my device, I have taken a 4K video shot on my iPhone. Let me show you the video lagging issue that I am facing. So I am clicking on the play button. So as you see, the video is freezing, it's lagging, and if you can see the frame rate, it is 12. However, the frame rate of this video is 60. This issue doesn't help us to finish the editing in time. So the first step towards to fix this issue is go to the playback option that you can see in the top. Click on that and select the proxy handling. Make sure the setting is set to prefer proxies. This is the first step towards fixing this issue. And coming to the second step. The second step is to set the timeline proxy resolution. So again, go to the playback option and select timeline proxy resolution. Here you can see the option set as full, which means the video in the playback and timeline will play in its full definition, which we don't need for now. So you can select half or quarter based on your requirement. If you have a multiple videos in your timeline, I would prefer you to go for quarter. So what this does is, this will reduce the timeline resolution of the video but not the quality. So select quarter. And the third option is to select the render. So here again in the playback section, if you go to render cache, the option selected is none. You can go ahead and select smart. So once you select the smart render option, you can wait for 1 or 2 minutes until this red line turns into blue. So as you can see, few frames are getting into blue. So just wait until all the frames turn into blue. Now the render cache process is done. You can see the timeline has turned into blue. But this is not it. There is a final step. We can also call it as a trick. To do this, what you got to do is change the resolution settings in project settings. So go to File, select Project Settings. So here the timeline resolution is set to Ultra HD, which is 3840 into 2160. What you can do is reduce this resolution into 720 pixels. That is 1280 into 720 HD. Select it and save. Don't worry that your video quality would be reduced. What you can do is, once your editing is done, you're exporting using the export option. When you export, you can again change the quality from 720 HD to Ultra HD. So this 720 HD resolution we'll be using only for the editing purpose. Now we have done all the steps. We will quickly close Davinci Resolve once, reopen it again and check how our playback is working. I will select the project which I am working on, click open. So now all set, I will hit the play button and see how my video is performing. So as you see, the video is performing really well. Here the time frame you can see it's constant in 60 and the video is very smooth. I hope this video would have helped you in fixing this video lagging issue. I will meet you in the next video with another trick in Davinci Resolve. Until then, it's bye from Tech.